Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore claims that Iran may possess unconventional weapons more deadly than missiles, revealing how silent chemical agents and potential biological payloads could shift deterrence, violate global norms, and dramatically escalate tensions in the Middle East. The core of the US accusation involves pharmaceutical-based agents, or PBAs, which are dual-use chemicals like fentanyls or medetomidine. Unlike traditional nerve gas, these agents attack the central nervous system to sedate, incapacitate, or kill victims silently without widely destroying infrastructure. In its 2024 and 2025 reports, the US State Department formally assessed that Iran is in non-compliance with the Chemical Weapons Convention. Washington alleges Tehran has not fully declared its chemical production facilities and is pursuing these agents for offensive purposes rather than just riot control. Chemical weapons are often termed deadlier than missiles because they can cause mass casualties across a wide area while leaving buildings standing. A successful dispersal of agents like PBAs can silently incapacitate thousands of troops or civilians before they even realize they are under attack. Beyond chemicals, reports suggest Iran has the capability to produce biological agents due to its advanced biotechnology sector. Intelligence assessments indicate that the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps may be working on biological warheads that could be mounted on long-range ballistic missiles. Iran's experience with chemical weapons dates back to the 1980s Iran-Iraq War, where it suffered horrific attacks from Iraqi mustard and nerve agents. However, intelligence suggests that in response, Iran developed its own offensive capabilities, some of which the US believes were never fully destroyed. These unconventional weapons require delivery systems, and Iran possesses the largest ballistic missile arsenal in the Middle East. Recent reports indicate the IRGC is optimizing missiles to carry chemical and biological warheads, alongside using drones for potentially wider and harder-to-detect dispersal. If used, these weapons would alter the deterrence balance in the Middle East, as they offer a complementary deterrent to conventional missiles. Their use would trigger severe international condemnation and likely invite massive retaliation, as they violate the global norm against weapons of mass destruction. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.